Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. I'm back again with another video. Guys, when I was making this draped skirt, I wanted to add this flounce to it, and I remembered I need to share with my soulmate. I needed to know the length of the flounce that I'm making. So first of all, I have to cut out this drape that I am making. I'll cut the whole thing out, and I know the length I need for the drape. So after cutting this out, I'm going to go ahead and cut the flounce for the draped skirt. So wherever you're adding your flounce to, just take the measurement of where you're adding your flounce, so that way you know the amount of flounce you need for wherever you're adding it to. That in place, we're going to go ahead and cut out the flounce. So now I know the amount of fabric I need for my flounce. I'm going to go ahead and make the flounce. For me to make the flounce, I have to fold my fabric into 4. I have 1.5 yards of fabric here, and I folded it in 4, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 would be for the main fabric and 2 would be for the lining. So next, I'm going to get the midpoint of this. So from each end, I'll make sure it's a square. So what I have here is 27 by 27, as you can see. So I just got the center of the fabric. Just make sure you get the center of the fabric and you start there to make the frills. Next, I'm going to make a radius of 2 inches on that line that I have marked. So just go ahead and draw 2 inches all around to connect all the 4 points. The full length at the back is 8 inches, and this 8 inches is inclusive of sewing allowance. So 8 inches is the full length for the back, but I will start by making a curve. I will just pick the middle of this place and make a curve. I'll just make a curve like this, and I'll start coming out all the way like this, increasing it by 1/2 inch or 1 inch. But at a point, I will start making 8 inches, and I will take the 8 inches all around. At this point, I can't go anymore, so I'm going to make a straight line here. So I'll just make this straight line here. And I'm going to check if what I have here is enough for my frills. So from this inner curve, I'm going to measure this place and see what I have. So what I have is okay for me. I'm good with this. I'm just going to cut this out. So this is it after cutting it out. As you can see, 4 pieces, 2 for lining and 2 for the main fabric. So this is the center skirt, the side that is draped, as you can see. So I will start from where this draping stopped, and I'm going to place it after I must have joined the 2 sides. I've closed it. I'll just go ahead and place this like this. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'll just place it, and this would be for the back. This will be for the back. Can you guys see? So the frills will be in front like that. The frill will start from the front and go all the way to the back. So guys, I hope you learned something new today. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.
Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money.